So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for Coinbase. You guys can currently tell that we do have one already on our chart that was produced maybe early May 12th. Looking for Coinbase to go higher. It did that. Now the market is still going higher. So apparently we know who's moving the price. It's the buyers. The buyers currently are in control of moving this market in Coinbase. We just trying to figure out how high can price go. You can see that $340, $330 is where the next sell pocket is. So maybe the market has enough momentum to hit that particular pocket. So we're going to try to break that down. So before I do, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe as well to the channel to ensure that these videos that we post on this platform, you guys will be one of the first ones to get it before this market actually moves. All right, so let's go. Did the price prediction on May the 12th, maybe 2-3 days later. The market in Coinbase hit that almost 30% movement to the upside, hit that first sell pocket. Well, not first. It hit the second sell pocket that we identified, and it really got hung there. You guys can see that price was having issues, or shall I say the buyers were having issues in Coinbase right at this pocket. It was really consolidating here. What does that mean? As price was trying to break through that sell pocket, it meant that buyers were buying whoever was selling at that pocket. Okay, that is why price in Coinbase was just trading within a range right below that sell pocket. This is what it means. Okay, this is how you can tell, okay, what's going on in the market. If we're hitting a sell pocket, automatically we need to be thinking price needs to go down, because the last time we saw price hit this area, price reacted to the downside. Well, we come right back to that pocket and the market is consolidating, and then you got the confirmation that price was still being moved by the buyers on June the 18th. Look at how big that spread bar is. Market closed up almost 17%. Okay, so that's how you're able to read the markets to see who's moving price. So let's go get rid of that price prediction. We will also get rid of this sell pocket and this one and this one. Now take a look at this. We're at another sell pocket into the market in Coinbase. Okay, so just like we saw the last time, we need to see this market in Coinbase consolidate before we see another breakout, because if we don't, or if we see the market continue to get weaker and weaker, you would expect it to go down. We're at a point to where we need to see a certain thing happen, and that thing is selling. We need to see the market react in a negative way to confirm that this pocket is still viable, is still full of sellers. Now, before we do that, let's go ahead and create another buy pocket for Coinbase. Okay, so we'll add it right here. Okay. It might be another one right in this area. Here's Coinbase on the 2. Again, very healthy 2-day price bar. Okay. Very, very strong. Volume is there. Spread of the bar is there. In 2 days, the market went up almost 21.5% in just 2 days. Look at this on the 3. Coinbase on the 4. Here it is on the 5. The weekly chart, 2 weeks, 3, and the 5 weekly chart. Okay, so yeah, it looks as if the market in Coinbase is going to try to hit this next sell pocket. We might need to bring in this next area of selling. And this ultimate sell area right there on the weekly, 5 weekly chart. Let's see if we can go all the way back to that daily time frame to see. So we get those new sell pockets drawn on the chart. We're going to look for Coinbase to continue to aim for higher prices. We will create new pockets of buying though on the hourly chart just to show at what point will we kind of have to say, look, these buyers don't want it anymore. The sellers want it more, and they're going to grab control of the price once we see the market break these areas to the downside. Okay. So these would be the two pockets right here that I don't want to see the market in Coinbase fall below. I'm just trying to look right now on the minute time frame to see if the market is becoming weaker. This is a sell pocket right there on the 9-minute that the buyers have retreated from. Price is currently dipping. Okay. So back on the daily. So now we understand that price in Coinbase is currently in a pocket. So, I mean, that's the risk. There's still opportunity for sellers to grab control of the market and push price down. It can happen. Our first target, though, in Coinbase is going to be up here around $330, $332. That's 8.25% there. Our next target is going to be at the high of that sell pocket, around 340, which is 10.47%. And then our last target will be at this ultimate sell pocket in Coinbase around 347, which is around 13% there. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. Let me look at this on the monthly chart first. So you got 6 more days. Okay. So yeah, I think the market's going to test the sell pocket soon. This first one or the second one. This is where the ultimate test is going to be found out between the buyers and the sellers of who's going to grab control of price, especially on the monthly time frame. So I think we're about to embark on seeing who's going to win out on that battle between buyers and the sellers. Alright, so I'm finished. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.